हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द अनदर स्मॉल बुक रिव्यू वीडियो। आज हम इस बुक के बारे में बहुत बात करने वाले हैं, द मेडेन्स बाय अलेक्स। अगर आपने बुक द साइलेंट पेशेंट पढ़ी है तो by the same author, this is the second book by the same author, and it's another murder mystery books. If you have read The Silent Patient, then I know how much I love The Silent Patient, and it's one of the best psychological thriller book. That the same basic, ये भी book उसी type की है, like it's based on the psychological thriller, but it's little bit up than The Silent Patient, but there are few drawbacks also which I'm going to talk. Let's first focus on the story. What is the story of the book Maidens? सो इट्स अ स्टोरी अबाउट मरीना की जो एक विडो है और उसका हस्बैंड सेबेस्टियन है कि जो लास्ट ईयर एक स्विमिंग एक्सीडेंट में उसकी डेथ हो जाती है। और मरीना की एक क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड यानी कि कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी में उसकी नीश जॉय होता है और उसकी फ्रेंड तारा होती है कि जिसका मर्डर हो चुका होता है। नाउ this Marina girl is the Marina widow. We can call it girl or maybe a woman. She is little bit curious कि क्या तारा का मर्डर किसने किया, क्यों किया, and it's all of those same murder. So वो कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी में विजिट करनी चाहती है और वहाँ पे उसे जॉय होता है, यानी कि ZOE जॉय होता है कि जो उसे हेल्प करता है क्योंकि तारा उसकी फ्रेंड है और उसका मर्डर हो चुका है। जॉय जो होता है उसका शक होता है कि उनके जो प्रोफेसर है एडवर्ड, उसने ही उस तारा का खून किया है। But it's not that easy to understand because there are so many mysteries involved in this book, where just we will get into the book, then we will start understanding it's not only the professor. After Tara there is another murder happens. तारा एक फर्स्ट मर्डर, उसके बाद और एक मर्डर हो जाता है, एंड दैट टू द सेम थिंग। आई मीन जैसे तारा का मर्डर होता है वैसे ही उसका मर्डर होता है और उसके बाद और एक मर्डर हो जाता है। अनदर 3 मर्डर्स विद द सेम कैटेगरी, आई मीन सेम cuts or same everything is same. So it's a kind of a serial killer mystery. There is a reason why this book named is the Maidens, क्योंकि उसमें एक प्रोफेसर होता है, उसके यानी ग्रुप ऑफ girls, or they are preparing for the philosophy or they are preparing for the ग्रीक माइथोलॉजी, और उस गर्ल द ग्रुप ऑफ गर्ल्स उसका ही नाम द मेडन्स होता है। और सेम उस गर्ल्स यानी कि ग्रुप में से फर्स्ट तारा का मर्डर हो जाता है, देन सेकेंड लड़की का मर्डर, देन थर्ड लड़की का मर्डर हो जाता है। But there is one twist that I'm going to tell at the end of this video. It's not a spoiler, let me tell you. But if you have read The Silent Patient, then you will definitely love that twist. Let's talk about the characters. Well, there is one character which is main character, which is the Marina. So Marina is the character which is kind of fully developed, like उसका past, उसका future, उसका present, what are the good things, bad things, सारी चीज़ें बताई गई इसमें, एंड दैट समथिंग डेफिनेटली आई रियली लव. अदर दैन दैट अदर कैरेक्टर्स, साइड कैरेक्टर्स आर ओके, बट द मरीना कैरेक्टर इज डेफिनेटली गुड and you will get a too much understanding of Marina character. I want to talk about the plot and the phase of the books. It's little bit so, I mean starting it's around 20-30% of the book, it's almost so, बहुत slow पिकअप होती है. Then after certain point जहाँ पे murders वगैरह शुरू होते हैं, then it suddenly goes very high, and that's something I really not enjoyed. With The Silent Patient, the writing was, it's kind of okay, but the pace and the story was really fast. Like at the end of every chapter you feel like, yeah, I should read or एक chapter, I should read the next chapter, you get that feeling. But in this book there are only few chapters where I got that feeling that okay, मुझे अगला chapter पढ़ना चाहिए. But I'm a big fan of The Silent Patient, so I have to read this book, and I realized that the speed of this book is little bit slow. Here is one thing that you will definitely love if you are a fan of The Silent Patient book. Silent Patient में 2 characters थे. The first one is Theo Farber and second one is Ruth. Ruth is the second character and Theo Farber is a kind of a main character. वो दोनों कैरेक्टर्स इस बुक में भी आते हैं, द मेडेन्स में दोनों का इस बुक में भी अपीयरेंस है. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हाई दे आर हियर, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, बट वो दोनों कैरेक्टर्स का इस बुक में भी अपीयरेंस है. Now let's talk about the final verdict. Should you read this book or not? To be honest, when I read this book, the writing style and was quite good, but the ending is not that great. I mean, ending is okay. Like I felt like, what is this ending? I mean, I am not expected this kind of ending from the author of The Silent Patient. Where I read, जब Silent Patient जब मैंने पढ़ी थी, तो ending was so amazing. I mean, there are no loose points, nothing. But in this book, the ending is not that great. Even though the writing style and everything, character development is okay, the ending is not that great. So if you are looking for the great ending, then I believe it's not going to be that. but if you are looking for a character development and little bit of psychological thriller, then you should definitely pick up this book, The Maidens. I will highly suggest you to check out this ebook or the paperback, because paperback is, I guess, not available in India right now, but ebook is available, or you can just get the 90 days free trial from the Amazon Audible and you can start listening to this book. I will rate this book around 3 to 3.8 because of the writing style and the character development, but not a great ending, so I won't highly go on the ending. But if you love psychological thriller, then you should definitely read this book.